In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Squarespace free trial. Whether you've decided Squarespace isn't the right fit for you or you simply want to explore other options, it's important to know how to manage your subscriptions effectively. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply use your bookmark if you have one saved. Once the homepage has loaded, you're going to want to find the Get Started button. Clicking on this will redirect you to your dashboard, which acts as the main control center for all your activities within Squarespace. As you arrive at the dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a variety of menu items, but what we're looking for is labeled Settings. When you click on Settings, you'll be presented with more options related to the management of your account. The next step is to click on Billing within these settings. It's crucial to review your subscription details, and this section contains all of that pertinent information. Once inside the Billing section, you'll see Subscription. This is where all of your active subscriptions, including your free trial, are listed. Now, direct your attention to the subscription that you wish to cancel. This part is relatively straightforward. You need to identify the specific trial you'd like to cancel, ensuring it's the right one, especially if you have multiple subscriptions running. With the subscription selected, you should see an option labeled Cancel Trial. Clicking on this will initiate the cancellation process. It's worth noting that Squarespace might ask for feedback on why you're canceling your trial. This is optional, but providing such information can help the service improve its offerings. Beyond canceling, you might be initially concerned about what happens to your site content. Rest assured that even after canceling the trial, your data won't be immediately deleted, giving you time to retrieve any content you might need before complete removal. If, after canceling, you have a change of heart about using Squarespace or want to explore their tools further, you can always start a new trial or choose a pricing plan that suits your needs. Additionally, for those with blogs or other content, customizing settings and exploring features such as blog post creation and marketing is always an option for the future. And there you have it, a simple process to cancel your Squarespace free trial and some tips on how you can proceed if you reconsider. I hope you found this guide helpful and that navigating Squarespace subscriptions feels more manageable now. Thank you for watching, and take care.